Eternal Father, bless our land.
It's Jamaica's goal.
Guard us with thy mighty hand. Keep us free from evil powers. Be our light through countless hours. To our leaders, great defender, grant true wisdom from above. Justice, truth be ours forever. Jamaica land we love. Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica land we love.
876 critical thinking. Big up yourself. And the big up baddest thing.
Hey, respect. All I people them will join. All I will video them. And I go and watch them two ugly boy, yeah?
Yeah, man.
See it?
Yeah, man. Yeah. And I give you no good words. See them way. You see me I say?
Yeah,
you see all the people them comment. Respect you
man,
differently.
fully, man. Fully.
Yeah,
Because we are telling a long time, say, watch you know. You don't have to come comment something when you feel like it's going to make you feel good or how you feel your comment.
Yeah, man.
Believe, you know. That's the comment section.
We don't believe in being politically correct. That no make you get to tell the truth or hear the truth. So just come tell where they on the brain, man. You see me I say? Or we just say me gonna feel. But you don't know.
And what they call brain today? I will perform crews who are gone. Well, Bojo them and say, Bojo, either stove or fridge or something get stolen.
Yeah.
For no wharf. And you may have to say about that. And I know we are get report for no wharf. He only seems more fucked up now because everybody I use the style say a relief goods them.
Yeah. When we know, and if we know, the government know. So no for on a junk crown I carry some where
one third of that a relief, man. One third
of the relief. We try to say them on help people. Then as regards to the people, remember so we know say from customs free up in a man, everybody are gonna take advantage of it. Some of us say I really is good on the yard, don't know and go back. And we know that. You see me that I part where nobody not talk because of political correctness. I mean, defend that as we tell you already.
It's what we feel say if you do, I just complain and straight. You have some people who just realize and know this. The government drop the duty fee to make you can import some things. Mm-hmm. So we just go run with that. A long time they might charge enough.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
A long time they might charge
some
enough.
People are come for construct their house. I want to know that if I even write just say on the head, don't know that.
And they shop too.
Yeah.
And they cool wholesale.
Zane, and I'm going to tell you, say, who are people? Zane, then where them are carry for people, them. Campbell soup, and they say, keep on the blow, Campbell soup. Alright, what time I know I sound ungrateful, no, but listen what me I say, though. Zane,
because he sound ungrateful.
Listen what me I say. Jamaicans, especially this new generation of Jamaicans, don't lose on pride. Jamaica is not the land of food and water. No, that's back in the master of them days.
Now, what you mean by lose pride? Yo, TikTok alone show with that.
So we lose the pride.
Yo, watch this, man. You see one time in a Jamaica.
Hold on, man. Can you go say TikTok? People were there up on TikTok. You see me I say, so big up on yourself on the TikTok same way. Yeah, man, drastic measures. You don't know them, man. Are brilliant mind same way. You see me one night time we are going to find a way to get them up in one night conversation them. Yeah, so. But you in a studio today, you don't know where go. You see me I say, big up yourself.
But and we not ball tops and roses.
Yeah, no, you know, but you don't know. So go over support. Hey, we don't do like it to them, like we don't want it.
Yeah, hey, well, I know. So, man, when I say it, some people literally go on some Jamaicans go on TikTok now.
Yeah.
And literally, like, them a bother with people, them say, yo, send me a gift, and me I go any live. Mm-hmm. I regularly see man, alright, you see when brown man shooting it, I go on down, so.
Yeah.
So, man, I did that thing on a live stream, and I tell you, say, yo.
I don't want to go on.
Send some roses or.
Yeah.
But watch on, you see another case there. Me no say, me did have like for me TikTok, would I send them, you know. Yeah. Why?
Big up yourself, just it, man.
Gunshot of fire. And you they start up a record and me want to see what go on for 2 minutes to come from down there.
Yeah.
But when you just turn on your TikTok now in your house, bro, And I go about the people say if you send money come give you for nothing you not do.
So listen what I say now. Jamaica, a master days, Jamaica was a land of wood and water. In my days growing up, Jamaica, a land of proudest people. You hear me I say? A land of the proud. You see this new generation toss pride through window because they get Americanized. You see me by the western side of the world. That really go on. You see me I say? Because there ain't no way in a history of Jamaica we're supposed to have foreign people that deal with this. So you see me I say? Your people them a deal with the people of customs. Yeah, me understand so we don't get to no goods, you know, but remember we know a program, so enough of no goods might not legit, enough of no goods that come for some other thing. Enough of no might help genuinely for real. But when you look say bungalow up in a whole of them they're sitting there and you have to start through. You wanna do in turn, start cuss Jamaica. Oh them dirty stinking people don't send anything to I say but wait.
Wait. I wonder if they know how long we get some barrel through wharf. I will go up there, I will people them send out some pack of biscuit. And the man them, I'm to me talk about, you know.
Alright.
And the man them cut the clear plastic with on the top of the box of the biscuit, take out one and tape it back. And when they reach a yard, they know that. Them been doing them thing there.
You hear that there? That's what happened to G. Zane, we know this. Because me hear so the man them say Bojo barrel, a half a barrel gone and then sitting half a thing gone. Bro, remember me understand say you know disaster man have a bounce because they see it enough. You know you see thing enough and but hear me I say no, remember at the end of the day, brethren, you have to check your barrel now. We know how you check your barrel and see missing directly.
When you're up there.
When you're up there.
When you reach a yard,
you're supposed to say, I know say, oh, me not go back at town.
We go back at town. They tell me no, we go back at town for one biscuit.
Yep. No for want to use it as an excuse. If you remember to send your shoes to your nephew and I go tell you, say, yo, you boy them take your shoes,
take your shoes all time,
but this, that, no, move, man. Zin, so we know I play in a game. Zin, so I don't want to come sit there. But what me I say is that, I like how Gaga me like, go on. Zin, because here we go on Jamaicans. I tell you what reality is. Zin.
Yeah, I mean, I hear what Gaga me say, I want to hear first.
You want to hear? Run it then, no? Run it then, man. Because we could have run, and for run some sitting there, I told me there.
Yeah, I hear what
Gaga me say.
First. I never hear what you say, really.
Yeah, I could get that. I'll listen to the video. Big up on yourself on TikTok. Outside, bomba clat. What are the Rom Pom? Convict. Big up yourself.
Convict there. Outside.
Outside. Big up yourself, my bro. You know, the up in the studio, so I run one bad episode, dog. You don't know. Today was Tuesday, so tomorrow, you know, this episode I drop. So you see it. Yeah, man, we are do it. You see me? Yeah, bro.
Right? On think that nice? I want my people up here, so Barrington flying, this plane come to Jamaica, come go to things and crash. So Barrington make 2 flights, them fly Monday and them fly Tuesday. 2 big rascal cargo plane. All if you know, say, when I open my package, everything tampered, everything, what I do, what really I deal with. We can't continue, so. We cannot continue like this. It's painful. Because we're up on the battlefield, I'm on even yam from man, I run up and down and I meet people left, right and center to secure something for my nation, right? Oh, if I not secure, I just hurt my feelings, the blood clot, I don't have no idea. I not talk the common people, I talk the thief, the one with the Norman man, the airport, okay? Because when the cargo plane and they say it land, right? And the amount of things that missing my people, it hurt me very fucking hard, that 3 different blood clot, if you cut me don't find a drop of blood. Right? For what? Why are we doing these things? No, it's not the time for to teach people things out there for blood clot years. Take a break now, man. A crisis time now. Keep on the sticky fingers to yourself. But you can't do it now. Okay? Because the head of the stream dirty, you know. So the head of the stream dirty, we expect to go on down at the bottom of the stream. We're in a crisis, man. For heaven's sake, man, have a heart, man. For God's sake, have a fucking heart. You dig? We don't like chat to you because you have some little dirty reprobate who want come on this, come talk, but you don't know some man stepping on the neck. You should have glad some day in a Babylon to blood clot because you know I play dirty nigga. You don't know. I'll go to beat everyone will leave work. You don't know. I want to get my soul, my wrinkle and dirty already to where I'm mad. Jano. Upset, man. Pull a barrel, I want to pull the barrel, a barrel half empty. Pull the next one, every half stove. The man, I want to come out of the airport with them something there. Somebody answer that and tell me. When you come out so we have no camera. People are going to work them and work at secure location. People check them bag, look at them car trunk, look behind them seat, them have a thing with them walk and look under your bumper cloth, batty hole. But when you thief so much things and I get away with it. I don't hurt my feelings, man. I'm not keep silent now. I don't want nobody come tell me about me for blood clot keep silent. Where were you when we never run no bread, you know? You think of beggings? You think of beggings? Sure. I love you know. But I don't love them behavior, yeah. And discourage me. Yes. And discourage me. And let me down. What we say? A mankind and mankind. That's why Jah punish we. Because we still don't understand the fundamentals of love and what it means. We don't say we can't thief. But there's a time and a place for everything. We don't thief year in, year out. And years people are complaining, so them are come through. And when them send them little stuff and them send little stuff for them family member, when them go in the one period, them can't find this, them can't find that. And them know them are mad. Them know them buy them thing and pack them thing and ship them thing. But we can't continue like this. We cannot continue like this. Okay? We cannot continue like this. We cannot continue like this. If we're going to do something for Jamaica, let us all do it for Jamaica. We cannot do it and you sitting at the port of entry and thief the things them. I'm not going to condone that. I love you now. Take it and send it and all the haters you can't go and go post because most are not thief from no mother womb.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Yo, you're a man sound like that, and this is no knock to town women, you know, because we actually like this style. It's a knock to the man them we sound like it. Look how a man sound like them town girl there, bro.
Around back everything, laptop, phone, everything, name brand furniture, name brand bed, and name brand car. And on a 30 grand bed in there and a 30 grand dresser. And a 30 grand fridge and a 30 grand rat nut. And a 30 grand, and a 10 grand night table, touch lamp, everybody, flat screen in there.
You're a man sound like them look a town bitch there, bro. You see me I say, I'm not on a blood clot, it hurt me to my heart and I gargamel that.
There was an unfortunate post yesterday by a musician indicating that there were some wrongdoings in relation to the cargo that came for relief. While I welcome all efforts and attempts for persons to help in small, medium, and large ways, fact of the matter is that we must have an accountable system. And I want to publicly state today, without fear of contradiction, that I did an overnight investigation, including cameras and including the custom broker who handled the shipment. And I want to make it very clear that the shipment left the airport intact as it came, fully wrapped, and everything that was there left the airport in the custody of the charitable organization. It went to a warehouse in Spanish Town, which the government has no involvement in whatsoever. So as far as what we did in terms of making sure that the goods that were meant for the people, the poor suffering people, were delivered. And I want to thank all of the airport staff that continue to work so tirelessly under the worst strain and pressure to make sure that we manage all of these cargo flights in a smooth and efficient manner.
But who feels it knows still, Bojo, you know?
Who feels it?
Who feels it knows, man. You see me?
He just
Yeah,
finally
man.
knock on your doorstep, Bojo. That's that type.
Aye, but let me tell the people why I say Bojo for move him bumper clot and go. Zane?
I mean, I've said payments where I'm doing now before me.
Yeah.
So I said it.
Yeah, let me tell you. Kanye West say it best. Zane, even when I'm in my Benz, I'm still just a nigga in a coupe.
For that paper, look how low we a stoop. Even when I'm in my Benz, I'm still a nigga in a coupe. It seem we live in the American dream, but the people highs up got the lowest self-esteem. The prettiest people do the ugliest things. For the road to riches and diamond rings. We shine because they hate us, floss because they degrade us. We trying to buy back our 40 acres. And for that paper, look how low we a stoop. Even when I'm in my Benz, I'm still a nigga in a coupe.
You see that, I feel remind you say you're not above the system. I feel, but you feel like you're above the system, and that's why I come here and I come go on. So, you hear me, I say, feel like you're above the system. I'm going to tell you about the system. You see, people them when don't know about the system, or they don't really know say system is a real thing. I sympathize with you. You see me, I say, I empathize with you. See? But you see, people them when know a system and feel like say, oh, them so connected with the system because them big now. Bro, Zane, at that a reach.
You want me to have the same payments now. My payments about it, I say, what you're saying, me love Bojo I beat the people them.
Yeah.
But if you clearly listen what I say, him not beat the regular people them up a walk where work. But wait now, me I say them people are thief thing them. But
What we got here now? Starlink and one brand new stove. Nice. A little upgrade for me out here now.
Where am I go with that?
Bojo really a beat. I people them up a walk if you have the oversight to make the other little man them cannot do them thing there. You get me I say? So me understand that the part of it. But me I say, my point about it now why me not pray like you with it. It happen to Bojo. Him have to speak out. Me feel like anybody at all. Once you in a spot, you have to speak out. So no matter, I just like what I say, you know. You not look close or whatever, you know. You see, if you remain silent, the worse of me and you. We will not have the clout that Bojo have. I would like when cartel put the light bill in
JPS thing.
Yeah. And them finally start hike up the bill. And you see in tell we and make us start beat JPS do better. They don't might not fully do better, you know, bro.
You find out.
What me I say is, look, you know, at the point of the backlash, just like the backlash we are going right now, we make people do better.
You hear me I say no.
Yeah.
Me have.
So at least couple people,
Yeah.
things Bojo safe and get worse a thief and right now, you know, just say
Alright.
and
The man say half a good out of half a barrel.
You know, lean up yourself. Him carrying a whole stove. Morning, boss. Have a good one. Driver, don't stop at all. Alright then.
Tell bad man, me and you know just a talk about say man them not slap barrel so hard, but you wicked so
You
you
know,
mess
but
another
you
give
mess
me
now.
extra image. Watch now.
But
Me will give
Tanda,
you away. Hold on, me just give you something when me hear somebody
if
say.
you thief a man Starlink,
Starlink.
he might go know.
Yeah.
Oh my God, man, you know, I want small satellite dish, you know. Once the barrel pull and then can't see that, he might go know.
Yes, I want
up there.
so one Starlink big Bojo Bantan car come down for the cargo ship.
But you don't need 5 or 6.
What?
If I want community, I go supply. You need the
So one
Starlink.
community I go supply.
No, but you don't know if that him a do. But me I say, if
Alright,
a barrel,
well,
I would do 12.
Hold on. Alright, Zane. Somebody say can political.
What?
Because remember when I say PNP them a play the violence for there? Yeah, somebody say can political.
Because guess what? You see them conflicting issue here where I do. And I try to make a bad publicity for the Jamaican government. But come here. So Bojo, based on my information, me get to understand say your cargo left from Norman Manley International Airport. Then it go over Arnett Garden and Jonestown. Right? Your cargo go Arnett Garden and Jonestown, and items from out of your cargo was taken out. Then it left from Jonestown and go to Spanish Town. So Bojo, the man was sing the first song with name Deported. Bojo, you're a convicted criminal, but yet still, you still now come out of the criminal mindset. Because word come to me ears, brother, say, if the government only knew what was in some of those stuffs that was sent, you'd have maybe they are jail, you know. Guess what? I'm going to rest this a little bit, you know, because guess what? I have some more investigation for them. Because Baby Sham did sing a song and say, me get the thing them out of luck now. So Bojo, your cargo are doing some of them stuff, you know. And this come from concrete to source, you know. So your cargo had those stuffs, you know. So make we see now. Make we see how we are going to work out this now, no, brother. Make we see how we are going to work out this. But guess what? Me not arrest this, you know. We just have put this on pause a little bit.
Zane, so we can't
True
make
Buju attack.
no how him a beat, because you say him a beat the people them way. No work a war for people them way. In charge of who work a war.
Yeah,
Which is
we have oversight.
which is the
To
government
make
right
sure
now.
say watch a barrel forward.
I
It's when
government
it has
right
strip.
now.
When the barrel has strip, when them go just search to find
Mhm.
out if illegal shit tonight,
Mhm.
it's supposed to strip in one room with cameras.
I government right now.
So at the
Then-
point of Buju ball out,
Mhm.
you're supposed to say, hey, you know, so that worker I take some out of barrel.
I government
And
right
him
now.
to get fire.
Alright, so watch you now, no? Bojo know this happen already, making a ball out before. Now him sing a song we say, Areche, you never say nothing guy yard.
No, but well, I'm gonna tell you no, say you can't say it away there no.
Mhm.
Because if you go say it away there, it's
Mhm.
like you have to say no, say.
Mhm.
Bojo know what go on with all the housing system and everything, and he not talk about anything there.
Now if man
What me I
know,
say is, when
let me just tell you look
me I
while.
say,
Let me just tell you
no-
look while and reach into the system and know the workings
No,
of the
when it-
system. But
when
them
it reach
feel
a
like
year
them and the
doorstep.
system a friend now and they above the system. The system will sink anytime they need to.
when you reach a year doorstep,
Is what me I say.
seeing? When you reach a year doorstep, dog,
Mhm.
you ball out louder. As simple as that. When
Yeah.
the big stone like when a
Like
year
me I say
family.
who feels it knows.
Or so,
But what
exactly.
me I say is that him just feel like say just like cartel or just like a cartel cell. Right now, him just realize say him wasn't even build fence,
Yeah,
let
wasn't even
alone
build
Bill
fence,
Gates.
yeah.
So me I say,
They look
yeah,
at alright,
you're
look here now.
different for the regular average youth where so many things go off and then get
And
slapped.
that's why me
You
have the
see me?
same payments from both
Yeah.
money missing. When
Yeah.
me I tell you say, bro, both fi talk about the money too.
Yeah, me
Because
not-
look here.
Me not say they enough to
you
talk in the room, but what me I
you know
say
why
is
it takes so
where
long to
they
talk?
feel, where they
Wait.
really did feel.
No, then me I say to
Like
you,
it
say,
couldn't happen because me a bougie man.
then no, that me I say to you now,
Me a
say look here.
Usain Bolt.
Then Bolt never feel like it to that.
Yo,
Alright,
no,
let's
me can
look
understand
here.
both
You
on.
see
Me
after
look at it
it
different to them, but Bojo go. Me see one next part.
Yes,
The video
even
there,
it
and a
after
full
it
video.
happen.
The video and a full video.
Oh.
Come here, man, I go on the
Man,
dog.
we
Come here,
see-
man, I say
we
same
don't
thing
know if I
about a
full
walk with him, and you know, look out what he and I say, yo, bad man.
Yo, listen me I say,
The
man.
sound.
You see, even after Bolt money missing,
Eh,
you know, you do much interview and say, yo, you know, talk about it. Why?
Ah,
Because I'm telling himself, say, in country, I go make him get it back. Because we
rightfully.
have him as an icon.
Rightfully.
Bro,
See?
look here, you know where bullshit I look pan for real.
Mhm,
So when Bob Marley get shot
mhm.
and Bob Marley go up, they go do whatever you know. See? He no really do nothing more than for night. When you hold up the two politicians.
System, my bro. Greatest picture in
I just feel
history
that
was a
that
facade.
moment there.
That
Where two
picture.
politicians man there.
Yeah, man.
It's
Yeah.
like he make a country feel one reverence. But you see after
United
that,
for that, yeah.
it's
Back
after-
to business as
Oh,
usual,
God,
because
man.
the system is the system.
Yeah,
so
bro.
me I say, see? So, watch you know. 'Cause you have some video, you know, you have some tourists now where them, basically, enough of them just live one regular life over in for them island. But you we have it, what they call the exchange rate, and you know what I mean? Jamaicans, the new generation Jamaicans, them frightened for foreigner, frightened extra bad for foreigner. Bad to bad, we good as frightened for some foreign goods back then, but we not frightened for foreigner himself. I say, yeah, bad, but
Nah, man.
yeah,
I'm not gonna tell you this now. I'm not
No.
gonna tell you this. Well, I know. Listen me now. It's a Jamaica. Some people call it fright. But how me look on it, Jamaica is just one nation of people where welcoming and accepting. Remember a video we see what they with the Asian them pull up on the beach side.
Which one of them?
One boat of Asian where you amount of people them in night. Amount of them in night. And watch you know, at since morning I listen one sitting them find 3 of them at Portmore.
Me I tell
I
you,
saw
man.
Jamaicans stay, we quick for help you. So you know matter if you come from one
If you
big
don't notice,
foreign.
you have one
Yo.
influx sitting there on the island right now,
You-
Cubans
You
and
know the
Asians
most
for real.
Jamaican just have everywhere except Jamaica as foreign.
Yeah,
You see if you touch on the island at airport, a foreign you come from, brother. How many place where you come from was in Jamaica, you know?
Mhm.
A foreign you come from. And we naturally treat you that way there. Hey, they will treat you so for all 2 weeks, you know. And then after you're regular somebody, you know.
And nowadays, someone make a distinction. Yeah, here say, oh, our boy go look for it. You know what I mean? So, okay, you see me I say, yeah. You know nowadays the distinction that is there. But what me I say is, bro, them foreigner they go overseas, them a work, or them just tourists them. You know, must come from Jamaica, just tourists on the whole. Because here we go on now. Then, as I come to say, the rent a dread thing, you know. I think the rent a dread thing start this backside, you know. Cause all of a sudden, you see how they start it. Me I tell you, say, you see, disrespect come up as flattery first, dog. Oh, Jamaican men, you want to feel like a this, that, go to Jamaica. Ray, I saw them a big way up in the beginning and be a little something till they feel like when them are quabs, you know, then can start say anything about Jamaica.
Well, I would say a lot of these people don't live nowhere when they're abroad. They're not respected where they are. They have no manners. Where they are, they have no status, and they save up the little bit of change to come to a third world country and be bigger than who they are. They buy jewelry, they buy clothes, they buy a suitcase to look like big superstar when they come to a third world country. But then after they experience the third world country and they live their big life for the week, they go home and they owe all type of money because they spent all their money that they had just to go on the one little vacation.
I don't look here, a generation change. Aye, remember I show how Stella got her groove back.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, man.
Jamaica Stella left go get her groove back.
Yeah. So now I tell you,
Jamaican do.
Are they the stocks still, but them people are OD on their type.
They really feel say if you left foreign and come to Jamaica on vacation and I stop at a 5-star place there, you know, experience Jamaica. You experience a downgrade of foreign. As simple as that.
As simple as
Airbnb
them look like your foreign room.
Exactly.
And that them people them are designed.
Exactly, bro.
Look like a foreign room.
So when a Jamaican they are foreign and I come back for vacation and really left to come stop at one hotel or something. Them not experience Jamaica, bro, and they know that too.
No.
If you experience Jamaica, you have to go in a place. You have to buy all some liquor, buy food or some liquor.
You must have come to one liquor tug as a female. You must have come to one liquor tug. Zane, in real life. And what you know, when I say Zane, and save up the money and come to Jamaica. It's a vacation, I understand. But don't come here with an entitledness once you cross the threshold of Norman Manley International Airport or one of a Montego Bay. That's our name, Siaga, Michael Manley.
Yeah.
Michael Manley. I say 2 airport, them a Manley, 2 airport, them name. You want to know there?
Brother, I hear me. All time I got airport of people me can't go.
Alright, there we go. You want to know there mobile. Zin. Anytime we pull it past the threshold of them 2 airport there in Jamaica, all of a sudden Queen Elizabeth step on the island and King Charles. No bother with that.
Because we give them the power they at least.
We are not slaves.
At least for 2 weeks.
And what you know, you could have tried that with back in ideas. I don't know why actually generation shift you feel like you can't try that with we. No. And let me tell you something, dog. You see, with content creator,
them. That could happen back then.
Eh?
If you say, no, me not talking disrespect, you know.
Yeah.
But if you say we're not that welcoming to foreigner, like we're frightened.
No, man. Listen, what me I say to you, back then, too, you know, bro, we're not frightened for the foreigner itself. We're frightened for the foreign things where we are sip we look at TV or a hear about. You know what me I say? Where them a care come. We just want to know so we get 2 jersey or 2. You see me one bad. You see, that's what I say. At them they sitting there with frightened from back then in a real life. And that's why you see man end up a wear barrel goods without name. I read something where you don't know what they pan it.
Well, I can't tell you what I give my experience. Like how my Virginian come from friend. They said Kerande.
Yeah.
And we go a country.
Yeah.
So we go a country. Is the biggest goat of them and the family or friend yard.
Yeah.
And that the goat they kill. And okay, you know? You see best fruit them pan the tree and everything. Hey daddy, when table prepare with food, it's a feast. And so they deal with foreigner, Jamaican deal with foreigner forever since. You see, even if we cook today this morning already and foreigner for this evening, we go cook no.
But
just say please.
Why difference? Why difference?
Why difference?
When the foreigner them come, then time they back then. The foreigner them forward with things.
Yeah, you get your Irish spring, man. You get to
things will make you feel no like a Jamaican say bombard.
If I have to Irish spring,
kind of obligated.
You're gonna get.
You see me?
You get Irish spring.
I appreciate it, and even obligation. Yeah, man. I appreciate it, but what you know, you are going the economic crisis hit them too. So when them come here now, you know, them remember good old days, you know, they still want a good life. Zane, but them withhold pan where them usually give you in exchange. Cause me go climb 500 Aki tree if you the car the Irish Spring and the socks them for me and me still get $150 or $120 back then, you know.
Hey
You see
boys,
me,
when
I
they
say,
ready for got a breadfruit roast, man.
you see me, I say,
Aki boy last
but
night
now
ready
they
for
not do them sitting there. They only come with the same entitlement I expect what they used to get and a return. You see what me I say? But here what me I say about the social media people them, because you need to understand the part very importantly. You see, from back then in the medieval days, kings and queens, they only left black people rule as one or gestures. You see gestures,
man.
you see gestures, I only somebody where king now kill right away. As long as I don't make a joke about the queen or the king, you probably can make a joke about all the picnic, but don't make a joke about the king or the queen. And make it funny, you're not go dead.
The only reason why me and you would consider gesture right now is because we are trying to give people them knowledge.
Yeah.
We not come to feel laugh and
just
like,
joke. You see what me I say? But entertainment nonetheless. So we are gestures just the same. Everyone I rapper them, Jay-Z, all of them people, gestures. Entertainment I feel what they give away. Basketball players, footballers, gestures. You see me? Entertainment. You can't really make no real moves. You see me I say? As long as you keep on entertaining us, you're alright. You elevate. Because if we go on Newcastle, you're there on Newcastle too.
That's why that we most greaters, you know.
Yeah, entertainers. And that's paint the image they pan with, bro, and make program it pan with. No, I program them pan with. No, that me just tell you from them the days from them putting us for them for sure we say a gesture survive. Zine, remember you know all the rapper them would tell us say yo, we only way to survive if fiddle with mic or play ball.
Why may I say it that way? Because in everything. Because for example, in a running, you know, why black people back then, remember man, the brother where they roll up a fist in front of Hitler, man. Them the thing the why black people they try excel, you know, they know them gestures, you know. But if you give like a middle finger to the man then. You get me I say?
Big up on yourself.
Alright, just like in a cricket. You ever hear a story of cricket there?
Cricket?
Yeah.
No, sir.
You know, say white boy them did free that black man them when all a bowling time.
Oh, yeah, no,
because
me
the
hear
black man them
that.
bowl also bugs a ball a lick out the inside. You know. A black people make them whole heap think they depend cricket player now, you know. When you see them weird. Cause white boy them go stand up in front of the pitch ball and they can't bat a ball. Cause when a black man fling one ball down the line, you see? Hey boy, right to hospital you go.
Yeah,
and,
man.
And you know when the black man them go in there.
Yeah.
They not run.
It don't really matter. Just send a look at idiot ball. Slap with that blow.
Them do it.
Yeah.
Them basically because white people invent the game. So black people do it at that
point.
If you just give a finger
to
the
middle man.
Believe. Yeah, you see me.
Okay, if we check it out good as black people.
If we let we go in any other field, I see them where we gone.
So watch you know, gestures. So understand on the roles. And Zane understand on the roles. You see, all content creators, podcasters, then it's a new job. It's a new job. We know they're on 1 decade. Think back 2015. Which podcast you remember? Very few. 2015, 10 years ago.
If you could have considered podcast, think pan radio.
I think Nightly Fix did do their thing where they're not carrying the artist, but there wasn't a podcast yet.
When you take a look on the Mota Baruch, one of the longest
running podcast.
Because them man used to have cutting edge, you know.
Yeah.
Stepping razor.
But that before podcast was visuals.
Yeah,
but audible podcast.
Audible because basically
it is a podcast.
You might get different artists and different icons for the show at night time.
Yeah, but just think about it. A very few you can remember 10 years ago, 2015 people. Just think about it. So content creators is a very new job. You see me I say, all of them people where you sit on your thing where you watch now, very new. And with that, me I say, they don't really understand where the Hollywood actors them understand. And the music man them with them in a game from 10 times they understand when them tell us say, yo, industry this and industry that. You ever hear them talk, then sitting there, you don't have to understand. It's like them are like, we content creators are like a new generation people. Them we just don't know. You see me I say we just can't say anything and do anything, and that not really cut it because we make people, we and Buju are going now make people feel like they can come deal with Jamaica. So we know when them just not feel pleased. You understand me I say when let me tell you something, I can talk to some African African leader when I time them and I tell them, say, yo, you know what America does best? Marketing. You will never hear about the homeless people them under the bridge. You will never hear about.
This world is all about branding and marketing. The number one branders in the universe is the United States. They made United States seem like it's the best place in the world to be. It's the land of the free, home of the brave. I go there to find and chase my dreams. We have to be able to tell our own stories. Directors, filmmakers, entertainers, it's going to be clearly, and the press, it's going to be your job to redefine how people think about Africa. Because you're here, you see what's going on. You clearly can see in a vivid picture the good, the bad, and the ugly. What you choose to put out there is what the world is going to get. Because I can tell you right now, in Chicago alone, there's more people dying in Chicago than there was in the war in Iraq. But you would never see that. There's a lot of things that's happening in the U.S. that you would never see because they choose to show you what they want you to see for. Yeah. It's about country integrity. You have a certain reputation you have to keep. No one puts their family business out into the street. One of the problems we have in Africa is that when something happens, the press is quick to put out negative energy and quick to put out a negative story. And then that story goes on to internet, then other broadcasting systems take it and they post it.
You see me, I say, I just show technology and TikTok and then sitting the flooding now. And you see how them try to control it, these are the reasons why. And if you can remember good in a year yard, me tell you see if me have a pissy bed or a shitty bed, which I don't do, but just for the example. You see what me I say?
Which you did once.
Me can't remember when me did do that though. So, and most when me young. If me have a pissy bed or shit the bed, Zine and my mother beat me. You might can hear the belt that touch my skin. From way out there, so, you know. But you will never hear the root cause of why the beating start, you know.
Yeah, you're not going to hear that.
That's called in-house policies. You see what me I say? Some people
not
have that.
Again, brother.
No in-house, bro.
You know, see, girl and man have things right now, and the first thing girl pick up your phone.
And gone on
TikTok.
Then
I say, the dirty boy.
It's in-house, bro. You see what me I say? So what you know, USA, you will hear say land of the free and the brave and opportunities and dreams and rare. Until you reach there, you find out say something fine print it did it. You see me I say? But listen what me I say. Yo, get sold the dream beautifully from anywhere else you're there. If you come there, Zane.
I just like come and say it about Dubai. What they hear. Remember say all we see when we hear about Dubai now. I want the most luxurious place and the most place.
Tall building, pretty desert type
pray.
like something.
You will never pray, right?
Mm-hmm.
They don't have no proper sewage system. Must say a place where they end up on basically sun and blood clots in there.
Water.
Yeah, so they don't have no sewage system really. Brother, shit truck line up our long blood clot line to collect sewage, you know. I hear me know.
So what smell all awful.
Awful, man. But you're not gonna see it. They're not gonna show you them part of that.
Yeah. No, it's about advertising. You need to
who
come
you believe
here.
make Dubai a run so that's a chic and them man in them whites can live so. Indians and most Indians in man them living at some little one room dog is singing them smaller than one jailhouse. A bunk bed the man them asleep on. And then the people make Dubai a run.
Advertising people.
Yeah man.
Adver-freaking-tising.
You don't show it.
So I understand we're angry at what's happening in Jamaica, you know, bro. But everybody just take up then sitting and go on TikTok nowadays because me say it's a new profession. We not understand the rules of this industry. So we just, and that's why they might fight it so hard, you know.
And then say love Jamaica, you know, cause you know, you said people will beat Jamaica now.
Yeah.
You see, then see one Chinese do one video and say, hey, you know, say Jamaican chicken no fry good. Hey,
they run to go beat the Chinese, maddy. Down in a comment section.
Eh?
You see me?
Hey,
when you up there, so I do worse. I call you own people, dirty stinking this, that, run the fourth and the fifth.
Brother, yo, you know, say you can hardly hear a Chinese across China.
Eh?
Yeah, I hear that.
You're mad, man.
Which part? I would say place rum and they want left them know. If you go somewhere else.
Bro, it's called an in-house policy. We don't keep nothing in-house. Jamaica, especially TikTok user them, because you don't know. Everybody a try get the views there, so we know that. But we understand. The same thing we are to try get the views there, but I just feel we do a thing. I
Yo,
don't know how
Jamaica no,
phone we want to do anything.
Jamaica
But what
no
me I
fully
say is,
appreciate nothing and nobody, Bridget.
yeah,
I
man.
tell you.
Understand. I want to make people feel like so we and them are squabs. Because if we can deal with this, so sure. Them we say them a care help can deal with this, so. Cause look, listen.
If Bob Marley did a live today and still I do music, I said you in the drop some music and I said you would have beat him body fuck. I said you would have do all would have yo.
You know, Peter Tosh should have this everybody in a this lifetime right now.
Yo.
Peter Tosh should have this everybody in a this lifetime right now.
No, TikTok.
Bob Marley.
No, Peter Tosh should have cussed everybody.
Every day I get up on this blood.
Every man pick up their phone and go on TikTok. Peter Tosh should have cussed them.
Nah, God. Listen what I said, bro. Listen what I say. Play the video, yeah. A video when me send you at 22 minutes with the tourists. The local umbre. I watch one video with the tourists. Them. Let me show you what I talk about. And I tell you, bro, it's disgusting. And then you go here say, oh, we need it. Because we are tourist industry. But so who tell us we need it? Wait, we the call it tell us we need it. I hear we government say. Ray, Jamaica mash up. You see TV. Phone or CM. News channel them a show us Jamaica match up. To uno. We the call uno, I say we need it. You know who need it? The parish them we're unaffected. But well I know I don't know. We need it more than the parish them we're affected, you know. We just really need it. Yeah man. Fuck.
So why can't we leave when y'all feeding us pastries for breakfast and we still had to pay full price to stay here? Like, come on.
May I ask where you're going now?
We're going to get something to eat.
Everything closed across the street. Everything closed. Gas station, shopping mall, everything closed.
So what are y'all doing for gas? You all knew this store was coming, right? So you're going to give us bag lunches, bag breakfast, some pastries? That's so disrespectful.
I'm gonna fix the airport so the people can go on them yard. Because frankly, I'm tired of them. And you know the funny thing is, it's not the people that are complaining now, it's the ones that look like us that are complaining, and I do the most. So guess what? When I fix the airports and I go on a yard. And as for ungrateful people, don't come back. We don't need no money. We don't need nothing from you. Please me, I beg you, don't come back. It's when things are up and running again, don't come back. And if you do come back, I hope the ancestors them know what to do with you. You guys are rude and you guys are disrespectful. Please me, I beg you, do not set foot on the next flight to Jamaica. There's so many other countries to visit. Don't come back. Because we don't treat you well, don't come back. And us Jamaicans too, we're too a little bit enough and forgiving. I'm telling you this. It's when time when you see them in them country and I deal with them certain type of way, leave them. Because like me say, if you check the persons that are complaining and the person where they do the most, it's not them people them do the most. It's the ones them will look like we. See, it's when you see them in them country and them I deal with them any witchy water way, man on a business.
All right, so I know that the accent can get pretty crazy. I actually had to listen to it multiple different times to catch the majority of what they were saying, but let me just give you the synopsis, right? So basically, you have this hurricane that just recently happened in Jamaica. And so different posts on social media is starting to surface of people like the one person, and then there was like another person that was Americans that were visiting Jamaica that was feeling some type of way about the fact that they were still being charged full price while at the same time they weren't getting the services, rightfully so, because a hurricane had just tore through that mug. So Jamaica was just absolutely ravaged. Obviously, we know that it is a tourist destination. So I don't really take what this person says that much because they saying, well, listen, you're disrespectful. We don't like it. How can you complain when the whole country is ravaged? But then at the same time, y'all need all the tourists that y'all can get, especially now, considering that y'all don't really have any industries that will hold the whole place up. You know what I'm saying? So essentially, what you see happening is people from Jamaica, not all of them, obviously, but a lot of them to have the conversation on the internet and it's starting to go viral. are saying that Black Americans should not be welcomed over to the country because they are disrespectful and they look like them, even though they are not Jamaicans. They look like them, but they are
Yeah, what me I say, Mr. Man. See? What you mean you not take what Mama say? Mama said that with her chest and Mama mean it and we approve that message. Oh no. And she gets specific. You want them you want them to go on like that.
Okay, first thing I want to say is, bitch, fuck you. Not you. Yeah, your homegirl. Bitch, fuck you. Second thing I want to say is, bitch, fuck you too. Talking about fuck who? Fuck who? Nah, it's fuck you.
Don't come back at this blood clot. What you mean we need it? I will tell you say we need it. Fuck up. You industry, you tell them owned by some look Italian looking motherfucker. We ain't getting shit. Fuck no, bro. What you mean we need it?
No, we are getting funny, man. We are getting
work. You look at people that whatever come exploit for work. That's the only deal we have, bro. See one hotel lockdown what you know, and here why problem now? Them contract states that they're supposed to have certain amount of people employed.
You understand, say, just by owning a hotel at Jamaica. Even if you're a white motherfucker or not, it bring business to the island.
Understand that,
because if I need man, we go clean the pool. Well, I know. And we get food. If I mean season alone, you go get from away.
We understand.
So what me try to say is, and that's why Jamaica depend on it. It said not really hotel industry. What they call it tourism. But when me feel say where Katia say I would like come with a pray. If black people and we are coming with disrespect with white people, none of them should
do that. They
love
white
culture.
People we're not talking about love culture and I'm not supposed to hear that from how we attack.
You know what? You know what white people problem when they forward there? To me, what white people problem when they forward there? Jamaican number cannot even now go around them. And sell them all one
ultra instinct.
Sell them all one Chinese goods.
Yeah,
when a Jamaican goods they want.
We want to see made in Jamaica. We want to see made in China.
Yeah. And them the thing me feel say white people and afraid of.
Zane, but uno people would they suffer. But me understand enough. But just set the precedent.
You can't say everyone do. What Jay-Z look like we.
Yeah.
Although Jay-Z a millionaire.
So but just set the precedent. So me understand.
The way na power. Look like we. Man love Jamaica too. Although I want to celebrate that again too. I just try to be a celebrity, man.
Bro, but listen, man. People did will love Jamaica, dog.
We look
my
like
brother, one of them.
Yeah, people look like man.
You have couple people. No, you have people. I know I'm Jamaican, so you know. But listen to me, people. Listen to me. Zane, ease off a Jamaica case, brethren. So I say, not true. When you hear we are beat, we bad. Not try that. We this, This is me I say, yeah, man.
Yeah, me as a man. Me I say this long time.
Yeah.
America, just like come and say what they you know.
Yeah.
America have couple things better than we, you know. Dollar main thing in that. And that the whole we go to find.
They have money. That's all it is. Just one exchange rate.
Jamaicans right now, like myself, would a substitute for going Canada than America, you know. Cause my father used to go Canada.
Anybody would go Canada and America. Just to Canada boring.
You know? Yeah, Canada one clean, pretty place. Would I go Canada? And if you ask somebody where hunting money most, he would have substitute to go to Cayman, see I want
or England or one of them places.
Somewhere Europe.
Yeah.
When I go collect Europe.
Bigger money. I just see money. So I don't know about with them, man. Do me a big one. You see me I say?
I don't really the culture.
Yeah.
Because it's man. America culture, especially the Yankee motherfuckers. I don't think Jamaica that. Jamaicans are really type of somebody we are go blood flying. Climb out some mountain or some shit with a rope and way and them shit.
Yeah.
I know what culture and thing that
you know a wickedest thing, Zane, before me forget it, the people them come see one video with some people are cussing a dog. Just like how Butcher cuss, see where people them are cussing, and customs people them are cussing.
You can't the one where it is, you don't want to play that one.
Play it no. Zane. Yeah, cause you walk one man, as me said, no for now really come for relief when it just a forward under the guise of relief. See me I say, and the industry know that they're not stupid. You see me I say?
Because I see this one, I say this girl literally look like a Jamaican or me can't really say. But she look like we.
What may I say is then
A black somebody this.
you not get through and you just turn around, take your camera and start style we most way. And we make you comfortable to do that, dog. We set the precedent. And that me I tell you about in-house, bro. You never hear no country in the world I tell you them problems where the whole world can just come and say, yo, yeah man, go and dirty this one over there. So no, you're mad. You're mad. But Jamaicans, everything, man. Boy, I tell you, you don't need to do better.
Hotel, all-inclusive resort. Okay? This is a lunchbox that they gave us. This has... You know, what is this?
Let me get this straight. Jamaica is facing a catastrophic hurricane, and this is...
This hotel box that they gave us. This has...
It mark on it, so it look like it's a V. See a V for vegetable.
Vegetable alone.
Yeah. So when she say, what is this?
You know, what is this?
That's the vegetable. Hey, look Jamaica... here. If them did put that in the white, you know, the white pretty shape out plate where them have, and put the little sauce on it and put a little style on it.
Yeah.
They might be didn't gear so much.
Yeah, he need to get so much.
It's facing a catastrophic hurricane.
And
this is what you're complaining about? Look how many boxes you got in that bag. And all of them had food. Considering the situation, you're complaining about the types of food that you got to eat?
What is that? Okay, thank you. This is breakfast. Another breakfast one. I guess little muffin.
What were you expecting? Steak, mashed potatoes, while the country awaited a Category 5 storm? Who shared the food? Locals, right? Let me get this straight. The locals who probably have their family at home worried sick about them because they're at work.
13 bucks,
sharing food for your entitled, ungrateful ass. And you're sitting there laughing? What do you want? A refund? A refund for an act of God? Is that what it is? Secret's all-inclusive hotel planned the hurricane. And because you didn't get the types of food that you wanted, you took to TikTok, recorded the foods that you got, right? And decided to make a stink about it. You're a very ungrateful, selfish wretch. Because when you think about it,
He's a very ungrateful, selfish wretch.
Me said,
I approve that message as well.
Hey, me I tell you, man.
Say, the theme of this episode
listen
is fuck y'all.
Listen
fuck all of y'all.
First don't fuck your bitch in the click you claim.
Me don't know about nobody else. But they say you, y'all, we plan to come here and have all our food.
Yeah. Brother, 13 bucks and the girls will complain, you know?
Hey, girl, when you come and make sure you say ship and ball for you reach with all of your food there.
Yeah.
I mean, I say you can't come back, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, we still want for the year.
She will complain about the one biscuit and then take out her barrel.
That's if you said more than one.
No, she
said 6.
She still going to complain about the one.
Well, we are going to refund her at that point.
Yo.
You will find them though. Complain about the bad things. Saying, and now complain about good things. You know much, since what they are, since we there, that's all I done. You know much fine and me forward there. Either them forward with one clip, or gunshot, or gun. And you know all them do?
What?
Is couple day and then go a court and then go pay a fine and go and make a fine, you know. You know if you go a fine and then fine with that, come back here and say it,
come back away and do what?
A jail we
have the time over there, and then we come back here and do time down here.
No, I don't say work, I lie, I tell you, I'm wicked. They can only charge you one time to one crime.
Well, them a whole way over there, and then they go deep way, and come and do a crime down, it time down here.
Where I get deep or come out yes. But there's a difference.
Yeah. No.
Them just pay a fine, bro, and gone. And then now complain about that.
And we don't hear them just sitting there. You see Jamaica not too gullible, bro. That me a talk about. Keep on the problems in-house. And not have to argue make everybody here on the business, G. Argue to the people them. Bombard want to walk in a road again. We don't know where Parliament house them there in a house. We don't know where Andrew live. We don't feel like they can shoot 1,000 away.
All Jamaicans that living in the US and coming down, this is the process, see them? Having a bag from Tuesday to Friday. The flight come, and guess what? Nobody coming out with no bags. Them I tell you for where we are. This is what it's like. Don't come down here. Don't come on JetBlue. No relief, nothing. Don't bring no relief. Come on Jamaica. This is what it is. Arms house, dirty people. This is what it's like. People frustrated. Them come down to help them family, and this is how we get. Be a disrespect.
I ask the question. I have to ask for you. I know Jamaica they don't JetBlue.
Don't take JetBlue cover Jamaica.
That's what she say.
Yeah. That she say. Don't take JetBlue cover Jamaica.
Oh, then the JetBlue she costed man.
I think that man. A Jamaicans are promoting most. I be a Jamaican fucker. They post for the song there. But what I say is it.
No, me I say I'm not Jamaican she cost.
Yeah.
No, maybe Jamaicans are working there, but I flight company them a cost really. Cause of them they can't get them back from the so.
But who get the cousin?
They mean who get the cousin? No, after we
don't send no relief to Jamaica. Don't care not see there be a dirty stick in arms house places. Ooh, she a call.
Well, alright, well, I know. You see as me talk boy same thing with social media now. Cause she could have say it because she dey in her anger.
Exactly.
What she fear say? I said don't use JetBlue.
She no need come at Jamaica. No, but what me I say is that what me I tell about the Pitney them. You know, Pitney how you would have to explain to your Pitney why the fuck that wrong at this big age. And we, the content creators, true, we just have the powers to take up a camera and start shit and chat shit. We do so much fuckery and damage, bro, without even regards for your next motherfucker. Cause this is what me I say, man. Just look there, a whole country that she just them dirty thinking arms house people. I'm like, excuse me, man.
But yeah, me know eventually, they are classified as content creator, Saying because that's so content really good.
They are classified. Zane, dog, if it wasn't for the content creator job opening, nobody would not think about to take up camera and do this shit.
When I lead with this thing, at the end of the day, everybody have free speech. So then people are saying no. And we are here. You know why we are here? Because of social media, camera and everything there. Because she have a phone and basically social media that popular. Because tell you the truth, you show me this video, I never see it. Me know that caught in a social media. Maybe I don't have somebody, so that's why. But me I say, I saw it go really. Everybody have free speech. Them people I say them thing I found way back when, man. But we just go to hear.
Me say,
cause I don't know them thing happen.
But they need that thing. But pop up on them phone and send it across half a world. Cause they know half a world.
Because it could not do back then. I say. Now it can do. So everybody will do it.
Yeah.
Then. Bro, look at a man. Remember, say one time, man, I would have earbud.
And that's why I control them and try to lock down everything right now, man. Tell you.
You know, say one time.
Main reason for control.
You know, say one time, all we could have earbud say.
Job description.
One time, all we could have earbud say. Police put things, man, youth and all them things there. You see, since camera, you know that makes some older people really believe. Say, yeah, tell me, say police them really tons of a show. So I said there's some things that go a long time.
But I say wrong in smoking, I not tell nobody say them a say. Me not tell nobody say don't say what uno say on the camera. Cause me dey on the camera ya so and me I say when me say. Fuck y'all niggas. Yeah, me I say we feel like we can style we country. Party we in a one crisis. We don't give a fuck. We know Jamaicans. We don't really know Jamaicans though.
Hey yo, you know you're beefing with a Jamaican because he gets really mad really fast. They will skip you in a Jamaican restaurant and look at you like you wrong for getting mad. Like, what's your problem? You still next, brethren. You feeling some kind of way because he done skipped you and you say your comment like, yo, what the fuck? And then the next level is where it's supposed to. Where it's supposed to is kind of like the what happened. So next thing you know, you beefing. You acting like you want to make something of it, right? And they have the nerve to dismiss you while you get mad. Like, Sasha, I beg your fish foot soup now. Large. Thank you, baby. The next level is when he explains to you how you should suck your mother. Because somebody's mom's getting sucked at this point. It's too much back and forth. So he gonna back you down. Go suck your mother. With his fingers like this. Go suck your mother. Happen to you, man. It's like the SMD of the Jamaican culture. And then you gonna do some shit like this? You wanna guard your chin. No, guard your shins. Jamaicans don't got hands like that. They'll kick your ass. They'll kick the back of your calves, kick your rib area, and kick your forehead with the travel fox. You gonna be like, how he get his leg up there? It doesn't matter. Defend yourself. Now let's say you do got some hands and you catch him. He gonna eat that. He gonna be looking, scanning the place for a weapon, for a bottle. He don't break bottles. Jamaicans break buckle. If he can't get the buckle, what he gonna do? Run for him blood clot thing. Jamaicans got their own signature run. They run for their things like this. And you bet not be there by the time he come back. Straight like that.
My generation of Jamaicans different, Virgin. We don't give a fuck who you
No,
be.
that's man. That's why I'm for a man strong. So I hear me now.
Yeah, man.
You see me? It don't matter if you live from Dubai and come here, boy. You don't know more than me. I want to tell you, say if you're there at Dubai and your father saw see how me live here so for all 1 year straight.
Gloves
you
and
move
skirts.
from Dubai come here so.
What you mean? Not my freedom. No time.
Eh?
Yeah, man. So, with that being said, I want to tone it down. Don't make we be this. Don't make it be a thing. Let's just not make it be a thing. Like when you hear Umbria say, we are say black Americans not to come here. Nothing like that. You're mad. Americans love you. You see people who love you, come here. You see people who feel like come here as Queen Elizabeth.
Yeah, because
kind of England.
Because me some people say some things. Like say Jamaica only have some little touch house and so sitting.
Pan news to you, man, and I say, bro,
boy, I want to tell you
before
this.
Melissa come here, no?
Listen me, no fun they are fire. Me no good and no believe. But me I tell you, everything one can think that they are fine there now, you know. And I like one time, you know, I see Tesla there.
Bro,
yes, a Starlink there.
Everything
brother,
there,
bro. Everything there.
Everything.
So I see one have a foreign.
Everything there, everything there. We there, everything there. But
so,
what
right.
You have a video with it,
you know, me can tell him so not there yet.
Yeah.
Something like all than things on the dark web, a silk road, and might be there, you know. I hear me now. Might be someone that get
man.
things
Everything there, man. Bro, me tell you say.
But if they are foreign, if they are America, they develop easier for you get it.
But the VIP matrix, you see, if people them in a VIP part of uptown.
How they are talking about I never pre that yet. So we could have order two things for the dark web.
They have different linkage, man. Then if you look at John like we could have pre that. But them man with their money are pre. And then links are pre. Come on, man. Ball game 0. People don't know I go. Appreciate you still. Oh, buff clat, yo. Watch out. Me no want left this episode and tell about the unaffected parish them. It's what I say, the unaffected parish them.
Yeah.
Parish them where people have said nothing happened to. We affected, man. It's before hurricane, we do the same dance so everybody do. We go buy up the goods them. Everybody start stay home because of hurricane watch. And then we hear the hurricane slow down. You see the first week there, we take 1 month worth of grocery put in our house. You see what I say? And we need get 1 fortnight pay yet. You see what I say? And we need me have in a 1 week. Because everybody there yard. Then we hear the storm slow down. So we have to do the dancing next week again. You see what I say? No for we rob, no for we thief, no for we steal.
It's tough for yourself for the rich of them part there.
No for we. More away. Borrow, no more away.
Well, you me can tell
you right now. Hold on. You to me get weed from. I said to Elizabeth, what a feed place freak up, you know. And me owe him for £1/4 of weed, you know. And he call for me for money, and me call for Anja. So what me a go do? We need some money we wanna get in the head, and we affected, man. You hear me? I say, no for we borrow things, no for we take trust people goods like myself with the weed, no for we. No for we go to our bank account, go dig out the last red cent. I tell yourself, and guess what now? You see, true, we no mash up. We not get no sympathy from nobody. We not get no sympathy from we country people, you know, cause half over this are wounded, and them rightfully deserve the sympathy. We not get no sympathy from the government, you know, because then they are waiting the opportunity to use that as an excuse as to why they neglect we. Zine. And we not get no sympathy from the foreigner them because we have got through minor damages when they look on where YouTube and everything else and show them go over there. So they want to send it like Campbell soup them over there. So
yeah, but I shouldn't know. I may say can they talk from where they are virgin.
Yo, Jamaica.
A serious thing happened to me, I start,
Bro.
I want to tell you, say I 550,000 US blow out of my pocket.
Out of your pocket?
Out of my pocket. Dog, I trade even.
And I rug.
Bro, I tell you, you.
Yeah, 500,000 US.
But out of my pocket.
Yeah, no,
you like a zinc did a blow up and me decide to me I go fix and I remember say yo money in my pocket, dog.
Where's that gone with the win?
And I rug. And the damn me say yo
gone with the win. So people wanna know
listen me. Me affected a lot because hear me now. People might not understand. The whole country run off of you listening, When St. Elizabeth and them place a mash up, where am I supposed to get the good ganja from, bro?
Yeah, man. The ganja is I can't see it now.
A world piece of chat, but what the world piece of show me one place down so. Them man them still have weed. You see? A light said way.
Yeah.
Dog, you know how much for your ounce of weed?
Me no know.
And me say, so if you look when we affected too.
We affected. See? Ganja men we affected.
Yeah,
but yeah,
and the whole of my money we blow out of my pocket. Try me
500,000 US, Mr. Holness, when you give we back, you know, our money.
If I'm a damn one talk to politician brother,
yeah,
because
Mr. Williams.
Pocket and the road.
But yeah, what I say, man, Jamaica, listen what I say. You don't worry about the wrong things. Right now, set on yourself for a great depression. You hear what I say to you? Because I say, the unaffected part of the parish, them probably affected more. Financially affected more, definitely. You hear what going on? Them people are not worried about the money where they not making, because they don't have a house. All if they make a whole lot of money in the world, today, where they man carry today, your house can build today. You understand what I say? So understand what I say. There are people who have a house and have dollar, and then everything just up and back and just a business as usual. Oh, right now we're fast. You hear what I say to you? Alright then. When you just getting yourself ready for a great depression. Can't say critical thinking tell you no. You hear me I say?
Hey,
yeah,
man.
Yeah, man.
That is like man I try to tell you to dig some bunker.
Bunker. Yo, me see one video over there where somebody say, yo, I move with my family, cause everything pies. Plant with one food, cause everything pies. We don't use pharmaceuticals, cause everything pies.
Yeah, what my real payments about this thing? I see, yeah, I find them not to appreciate you no more. We are trying to be like them too much.
Too much.
We feel like Jamaicans need
lose
to get back
to.
We need to get back to farming. Yo, it's when me I go Garvey, we whole down one side of down so. Full. A banana. And see when you pass the chain line, the next side, a cane. Bro, we used to plant rice. Jamaica need to get back to farming. Look here, no man, me not say we're going to lower out weed, you know. Me not say we're going to lower out weed. But me I say, see, weed man and me plant the weed, need to understand this now. You see, back then, the government did a fight the weed. Why? They never had no control over it, they could tax it. Now they can tax it. So basically farming a weed are like farming every other things. Use your head, bro. You see, say they are gonna go through some things like with all you have one illegal farm right now, fully up a banana and man. And plant some things we can help up back a country for the grown up. It seems like it not work for now, you know. We see moment we get back all some country places back up on farming and say, nah, you know what I say? We are ship out some whole heap of things instead of import the thing them.
But I plan, man, where we are going to get that. You feel like farming can go on a smart city?
You know me,
You feel like farming can go on a smart city?
No, it don't work. You may say no. You know me, I chat to teacher them about Aki over there, and teacher say, you know, how you get Aki over there in Canada? Jamaican Aki 19. And my time say bad. And I tell you, say, yo, you know, man, Jamaica, it come from, it a ship over there. And I say, watch this now. We need to get back to them thing, the dog. One time, me there a country. And see, we think them we ship over there. Is that me number what did them to ship, but eventually then turn back to Jamaica and one whole heap of things then carry down so come down. See?
Big up on yourself, man.
Where things they used to a production here. Feel me daddy. Tell me say you used to work a fruit house, Colonel used to work there too. You see me I say? We need to get back them level of production there from our country again and that depend on tourism so much.
Yeah, I mean, even think we are dependent on tourism so much, so like how them people are saying. So again,
no, and government
people them where love Jamaica, we love one over the whole of our heart. You see people them will come here for exploit Jamaica. West side, fuck y'all.
I don't even know why I'm on this track. Y'all niggas ain't even on my level. I'ma let my little homies ride on you bitch made ass.
Hey, me I say, respect to everybody, you know, man. You know, respect for joining another program.
To feel with people them, I love, man. I like a Drake song where say, yo, fuck all y'all niggas, except my niggas.
876 critical thinking. Big up yourself. Big up baddest thing. Break it.